Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll discuss 5 simple ways to prevent heart disease. According to the CDC, heart disease is the leading cause of mortality in the United States. One person dies from cardiovascular disease every 34 seconds in the United States. Heart disease is not just the leading cause of death in the United States, it is also the leading cause of death among women. Here are 5 simple steps anyone can take to reduce their risk of heart disease. 1. Take regular dental checkups. People should visit their dentist twice a year since poor dental hygiene can have a harmful impact on the heart. Disease and germs from the mouth can enter the heart and harm the valves. Even though many people don't like going to the dentist, regular visits are important for overall health. 2. Take pleasure in your coffee. Take pleasure in your morning coffee. There is evidence that coffee may be good for heart disease. However, anyone with high blood pressure should exercise caution, since too much caffeine can be harmful. 3. Continue to move. Walking is one of the best ways to stay active. Not only does it provide some cardiovascular activity, but it also keeps your hips moving and your legs swinging. Strength training and yoga can help maintain flexibility. 4. Get adequate rest. The majority of us nowadays are sleep deprived. With all of the distractions of contemporary life, it is critical to take the time to minimize distractions, be purposeful about it, and get enough sleep. It's tough to sleep better when our phones are right next to us. 5. Understand your family's medical history. Knowing and understanding your family's health history might be beneficial in the long term. I hope you all take these 5 simple steps and reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching. See you.